what is the thing that is distracting me from my goal? So you should ask this question to yourself. For my improvement, where am I like giving my time? It is a thing in like science that says that wherever your attention goes, energy flows and things grows. Wherever your attention goes, energy flows in that direction and things are starting growing there. So energy flows and things grows. Understand this? Wherever your attention goes, energy flows and things grows. So we have to understand, where is my attention now? So where is your attention now? If you are using mobile phone, so it is on any kind of platform which makes you like which entertains you, or a thing that makes you comfortable at home, or friends, those who are taking your time by talking like bullshit kind of things all the time. So what does it mean? You have to understand where you are distracted. So many times people ask, sir, how can I get focused? How can I get concentrated on my work? Why am I not concentrated? How to improve concentration power? So there are so many questions people ask by going on Google and YouTube also. So the answer is that first and foremost we have to understand that where am I distracted? Why am I not focusing on the things? Why I don't like to do the things that is needed to be done? So what's happening with me? So we have to understand this thing first. We have not to ask this question that why, how to improve our concentration power. Have you ever searched this question on Google or YouTube? कंसंट्रेशन पावर कैसे बढ़ाएं, और वीडियो देखा होगा कोई ना कोई. ऑलराइट. सो क्वेश्चन ये नहीं है कि कंसंट्रेशन पावर कैसे बढ़ाई जाए. ये क्वेश्चन ये होना चाहिए कि मेरी कंसंट्रेशन पावर, मेरी जो कंसंट्रेशन है, मेरा जो फोकस है, वेयर इज माय फोकस? वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग. वेयर एम आई डिस्ट्रैक्टेड? व्हाट शुडंट आई डू दैट आई एम डूइंग? व्हाट शुड आई डू? सो वी नो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू. एवरीवन नोज दैट व्हाट यू वांट टू डू. डू यू हैव एनी ड्रीम इन योर लाइफ? Do you have any goal? Raise your hand. Everyone has a goal. Everyone has a dream. Are you completely focused on that? Do you feel inside your heart that you are completely focused, you are getting ahead, you are feeling the energy, and every day you are doing something different for that, and you are improving yourself, and you have that kind of positive energy that, oh, I am growing in my life, I am going to get my mission fast. Is it happening? If it is not happening with you, it means you are distracted. So we have to identify our distracted points. What are the things that are distracting me? Is it social media? Is it my friend circle? Is it my family background? Sometimes we are very like very familiar with our family members. We give a lot of time in family, so we don't focus on our work also, because we have a very comfortable environment and easy environment at our home. Is it TV program? Is it any kind of TV program? Is it my comfortable environment? Where do I live? Is it my room? Is it any boy or any girl? What is distracting me? That question should be there. What is distracting me? And by identifying those areas that are distracting you, just you have to like make a distance and you have to start removing step by step. Then you see that you have so much power to do a lot of things in your life. So many people are distracted. All right, I don't take guarantee of you also that you are not distracted, right? So you are sitting here, I don't take guarantee that you are not distracted. You are distracted somewhere or the else, somewhere or the others. You are distracting yourself. So you need to understand this point, that am I distracted or not? You have to ask, where am I distracted? किधर मैं भटका हुआ हूँ? Where am I giving my lot of time? So that is the thing, that energy flows, things grows. Wherever our attention goes, energy flows, things grows. Let's see the example. Now you are not thinking about this banner. Is it okay? See that banner. See the color of that banner. Like see continuously, like you see that banner. Don't blink the eyes, see it. What's happening? You are thinking about that banner. You are thinking about color. You are thinking about the dialogue. You are thinking about fonts. You are thinking about academy. Thinking or not? What happened? Your energy went there, where your attention went there, your energy flowed there, flew in that direction, and things are growing. Getting me? Wherever your attention goes, energy flows and things grows. जहां भी ध्यान जाता है, एनर्जी उस दिशा में बहने लग जाती है, जाने अनजाने, और चीजें बढ़ने लग जाती है. Very very important point. I am not saying this. This is the science showing is the result shows of science. Scientific researches are like happening so many times. The different kind of discoveries are happening. They are finding this kind of thing. So where is your attention now? So you have to understand about your attention. Where is your attention? Is your attention on mobile phone? Is your attention on any kind of social platform? Is your attention on any girl or any boy? Is your attention on any kind of TV program? Is your attention on your friend circle? Is your attention on showing others that how smart you are, how intelligent you are, how good you are, how good looking you are? Where is your attention? So we have to understand that where is my attention is. That is very 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 important thing in life. If your attention on problems, so what will improve, what will grow? Problems will grow. If your attention on solution, sometimes it happens कि कहीं कुछ भी होता है, लोग प्रॉब्लम पे ध्यान देना, अरे ये हो गया यार, अरे वो हो गया, अब क्या होगा. प्रॉब्लम पे ध्यान देंगे, प्रॉब्लम बढ़ेगी. जैसी प्रॉब्लम आई, सॉल्यूशन पे ध्यान देते हैं कुछ लोग, तो सॉल्यूशंस निकलने लग जाते हैं. समाधान पे ध्यान देते हैं, समाधान आने लग जाते हैं. ये कर सकते, ये कर सकते, इससे पूछ सकते, इससे पूछ सकते, ऐसा किया जा सकता, वैसा किया जा सकता, ऐसा नहीं हो तो ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा, आज नहीं तो ये सब उपाय निकलने लग जाते हैं. और कुछ रोतले लोग मिलेंगे आपको, सीधा प्रॉब्लम, अरे अब क्या होगा, अब ये हो गया, अब वो क्या बोलेगा, ये इतनी प्रॉब्लम्स खड़ी कर लेते हैं. बिकॉज देयर अटेंशन इज ऑन देयर प्रॉब्लम्स. So what is growing? Problem. Attention is on problem. So what will grow? Problem. Attention is on solution. So what will grow? So where is your attention? That is the question. Is your attention on your self growth? If it is not, like, get your attention back on your self growth. Is your attention on your career? If it is not, like, get back on your career. Is your attention on earning money? If not, come back to earning money. Think about that and think will grow. Think will grow in that situation. Is your attention on your family? You want to do something for your family? That will also grow. So our attention, like people those who created this kind of platform, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Telegram, YouTube, different kind of platform, they are getting our attention. So their things are growing, their earning is growing, their platforms are growing. Instagram is growing, Facebook is growing, YouTube is growing, all right, WhatsApp is growing. They are earning a lot of money, and they are getting a lot of things. They are becoming very famous day by day. They are doing a lot of things. We are getting advantage of that thing. That's okay. Okay, that's enough. But most of the time we are getting complete attention of ours on that platform. So what they are doing? They are growing. Are we growing? We have to grow ना. तो हम उनको बढ़ा रहे हैं, बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं. फेसबुक बढ़ रहा है, इंस्टाग्राम बढ़ रहा है, स्नैपचैट बढ़ रहा है, सारी चीजें बढ़ रही है. हम क्यों नहीं बढ़ रहे हैं? बिकॉज वी आर लेटिंग देम ग्रो बाय गिविंग अवर अटेंशन. गेट बैक टू योर मिशन, गेट बैक टू योर फैमिली, गेट बैक टू योर like personal life, on personal growth, get back to your improvement, get back to your career, where you want to reach in your future. Are you getting distracted? जिस चीज पे ध्यान देंगे वही चीज बढ़ेगी.